You know, that sulfur smell. But to you, it'll be the smell of your own death. You're pretty good.